Hello YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to another episode of Burke's Outdoors. If you're new to my channel, my name is Aaron. I welcome you to my channel. Please check out my videos and tell me what you think. And I hope you guys like my content. Today my friend came up from Idaho. He's got a channel of his own, Instagram. He uses Instagram more than YouTube. It's Idaho Outdoorsman. You guys definitely gotta check him out. He's caught some big fish, some nice rainbow and steelhead, and so yeah, he's up here with me. He wanted me to put him on some salmon, so I'm gonna go and do my best and bring him to one of my best spots. I never get skunked, so yeah, I look like a walking tackle box myself. Look at all this, but anyways, yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys and wanted you guys to come along with us on our adventure today. And yeah, so that's about it. I will see you guys when I get there. See you then. Well, YouTube, I finally got to my salmon spot. Might be a little too early today. Might have to come back tonight, but we'll try it. I'm with my friend that came up from Idaho. He's got his own channel, Idaho Outdoorsman. Let me tell you what, you want to see some nice rainbows and steelheads getting caught, some nice big ones, hit him up on Instagram. Big fish.
Look at that freaking pig on the stone.
I'm hoping to go down soon.
Let's get her back.
That is definitely a channel everybody will remember. So I got him up here with me today, doing some fishing. Hopefully I can put him on some fish. And yeah, we will go from there. And I will see you when I get down and get my rod in the water. See you then. So, as you guys can see, I made it to my fishing spot. Hoping to get a salmon. I'm gonna try my regular pole first, and then if I don't get anything, then I'll go to my fly pole. The trusty fly pole always pulls it off.
Keep working up this bank. What? You're more than welcome to keep working up the bank.
But I will be back with you guys here shortly when I get a fish, hopefully. Oh, I think it's a salmon, I'm not sure. Yeah, look, oh, little salmon. Oh! Oh, you're quicker than I am, buddy. That's gonna be funny to watch. Got another one. This one's a good one. Oh yeah. If you want, he's coming down your way. Trying to keep tension on him. And that's when I figured out I forgot my net. Feels like a decent one. He's right here. Well, not a bad little salmon. Maybe a little smaller than my other one. Yeah. Come here, bud. Well, you really swallowed that, buddy. Let Dennis Burke get in there. Not a bad little salmon. Gonna have to keep him though, he's bleeding from the gums. The gills. Fish blood, good sign. Fish on. Let's do this. All right, I'm hooked up again to a good one. Hey, I might need your help right there. Just scoop them up if you can. I forgot the net up to the truck. That's why they keep coming on. Oh, that's a fatty right there. Here, he's all yours, buddy. Oh, again. Oh, got another one. Boy, can you see what it is? What is it? Oh, it's gotta be he's running up. I think that's a good one. Oh yeah. Come to Papa. Holy. All right, I'm gonna bring him right up on this rock. Finally, the Idaho outdoorsman finally gets one, huh? Nice one. Whoa! You do not want to lose that one. Oh yeah, that's a good one. You don't have any barbs on that one? I'd go over and grab them. I'm having bad luck today. I've had them right up to shore. We need to get this one today.
Line control is terrible.
Here, I'll get it. There you go, buddy.
I am using 3/8, and this is a salmon.
Oh, that's a good salmon.
People are gonna roast me in the comments. His line control is terrible. Yes, I know. It's gonna cost him that fish. Yes, I know.
This is the one that catches all the big rainbows and steelheads right here. He's the legend. I think he's playing with his food though, I'm not sure. I'd probably bring him back this way where it's flatter land or you're gonna lose him. I'm gonna help him out. I'll be with you guys here shortly. He's gonna flop in a minute. Yeah, brother.
Finally. Dude, that's a nice one, huh?
Hell yeah, it is, dude.
Freaking excellent.
Come here. The outdoorsman strikes again. Not a bad fish, man. Good one. Big one. There's another one. That's a cocker. Oh yeah. Holy. I'm gonna bring him right to me. That. Oh yeah. Come on.
Wishing I had my net for sure.
Oh. What the heck? Got ya. I don't know how big he is, but I'm gonna walk down to him and just bring him right up on the shore here. Little salmon.
Oh my God.
Not bad. He came off right there. He's only about 12, 13 anyway. He strikes again. Oh, that is a nice one, dude. The outdoorsman strikes again. Not a bad fish, man. Good one. Big one. Oh, I think he just knocked himself out almost. It's a fatty.
Yeah, we need a net.
I wasn't paying attention. We got another one. Let's check it out.
This one's tired. Must be a one too long.
Must have been working out too hard. Look how pretty that is, huh? Look at the shine on that. You wanna let him go?
Do you want to?
Yeah.
Let's keep it.
Huh?
Let's keep it.
You wanna keep it?
Yeah.
Okay. You didn't want to have mercy on his soul today? I'm just messing with you.
No.
I don't want to make you feel bad.
That's how I didn't even realize he's sick. Okay. Look at that.
Yeah, he's bleeding from the gills anyway.
No, look at the hook they just put in.
Oh. Oh, still, that's good YouTube footage. I'm just joking,
Dude,
but
it popped
you
off
want me to
on
get
me.
it?
No, I'm good.
Whoa, I was gonna go swimming here in a second. Welcome back, YouTube. Well, we slayed the salmon today. My buddy Seth got at least 6 salmon. I got, I don't know, 11 or 12 hooked. And I said I'd throw the first one back, and I did. Next time I'm definitely bringing my net, I forgot it. Lost some nice lunkers, but it's the way it goes. But I enjoy fishing with these fellas and hope we can do it again sometime.
Oh yeah.
Check out the Outdoorsman channel on Instagram. Idaho, what is it?
Idaho Outdoorsman.
Yeah, check it out. Thank you guys for checking my channel out. And for you new viewers, tell me what you think, tell me what you like, and I'll try to get more of that content out there. Until then, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.
Idaho Outdoorsman. Seth caught an absolute freaking stud.